Hey guys, I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back. I like to listen to music while I'm doing my makeup. But today I'm doing my makeup inspired by Belly from The Summer I Turned Pretty. I love her makeup this season. I feel like it's very like nice, like simple, cute makeup, so I thought I'd recreate it. Anyways, let's get into it. First I'm gonna add some foundation. My foundation kind of got messed up from the airport because they like be throwing your suitcase, so it messed up my makeup a little bit. So I'm just gonna do it like this. And next I'm gonna add some concealer. Eyeliner. And my eyeliner is not the best. Today I'm gonna add some little eyeshadow. Next I'm gonna add some powder in my under eyes. Okay, I'm gonna add some little mascara. The makeup's not really turning out how I wanted, but we're gonna try our best. And next I'm gonna add some blush. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight, even though it's not. And next I'm gonna add some lip liner. And next I'm gonna add this lipstick. I haven't worn this in the longest. Okay, I'm gonna add some extra concealer to hide my dark spots. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. It's very simple. I feel like Belly has a very like simple makeup routine. Anyways, I tried my best with this look. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. We're getting close to 900 subscribers, and also comment if you're team Conrad or Jeremiah. I'm personally team Conrad. But anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.